Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Apple Watch. Make sure the model can run some features standalone and charge it above 50%. Once done, update watchOS using any available paired iPhone or Wi-Fi so the watch has current firmware. This prevents compatibility errors. Then install necessary Android apps, Wear OS for basic Bluetooth detection, and a trusted third-party tool when you need extra services. Follow on screen pairing, prompts to put the watch in pairing mode, and keep both devices. You now perform the complex pairing steps. First, enable Bluetooth and put the watch into pairing mode. Accept permission prompts on Android. If direct Bluetooth pairing fails, use a trusted third-party bridge app to relay notifications and limited data, or connect the watch to the same Wi-Fi network to enable internet features. Make sure to grant notification and accessibility permissions on Android so messages and calls forward. Also, set up music remote and basic health sync in app settings. These work via internet or you finish by validating core features. Send a text, place a call, and play music to confirm notifications and control functions. If something fails, reboot both devices, recheck app permissions, and try pairing again. Often a fresh start clears Bluetooth conflicts. As a final troubleshooting tip, restore the watch from an iPhone to factory settings and then repeat the setup. This resolves firmware or profile issues that block pairing. Keep patience. Doing steps methodically fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.